Bismillah. If you are having trouble sleeping, I'm going to share with you 5 different drink recipes that will help you get some sleep. Having trouble sleeping is quite common for many of us, and we often turn to over-the-counter medications to take care of this problem. But I do have some solutions that will probably work for most of you, so give these a try. And before you take any of these drinks, you should take 30 minutes before you're going to bed and just relax. Don't have on any kind of electronic devices and don't do anything. Just relax in a chair, maybe read a book. Do only things that are relaxing for at least 30 minutes before you go to bed. This will also help the drinks to work even more effectively because you need to calm your nerves down. The first drink is chamomile orange iced tea. Chamomile tea has been known to help improve your sleep quality, so it's a really good one to start with. And the second ingredient is orange juice. And orange juice has a really high amount of vitamin C. And people who have higher levels of vitamin C have been shown to have better and deeper sleep than those who don't. This recipe makes 2 servings. You will need 2 cups of chamomile tea, 1 orange, 1 teaspoon of honey, and if you want, you can add a cinnamon stick. Easy, just brew your tea, let it cool, add the juice of 1 orange and a spoon of honey and stir to combine. And it should make about 2 servings. The next drink you can try is a little tropical. It has mango, and mango has one of the highest levels of melatonin among the fruit family, which is one of those sleep-producing hormones. And it also has pineapple, which also contains a lot of melatonin and magnesium, and both of those help you to relax and get a better sleep. For this one, you will need 1 large mango, 1 cup of pineapple juice, 100%, make sure no additives, about 8 leaves of peppermint, and 1 cup of ice cubes. Just mix all this in a blender and drink away. It makes about 2 servings, but for me, I'd be drinking all of it, so it's up to you how you would want to divide it. The next one you could try is a banana milkshake. Now, I know this sounds simple, but bananas are very high in magnesium, and this helps to promote relaxation. And they also have a lot of tryptophan, which also helps your body to produce those sleep hormones, melatonin and serotonin. And milk itself has a lot of sleep enhancing properties, and it helps to relieve stress and enhance your sleep. So milk is always a good one to try to help induce sleep. You need 2 cups of milk, 2 frozen bananas, and 2 dates. You can also add a teaspoon of vanilla if you want. Blend until smooth and enjoy. This makes about 2 servings. I love banana milkshake myself and have it quite regularly, and the added benefit to make sure I have a good sleep is also very nice. This next one is quite popular and you may have seen it. It's called a Sleepy Girl mocktail, and it's made with cherry juice. I mentioned this in my last video about cherries. They have a really good ability to help with your sleeping pattern. They have a lot of tryptophan and melatonin, and you want to make sure that you're drinking the sugar-free tart cherry juice to get the best benefits, but it's really great for helping to regulate your sleep. This also has magnesium glycinate in it. I'll leave a link in the shopping cart where you can get some good magnesium to put into this drink. It really does work well. It helps your muscles relax, it helps you to relax, it helps to calm your nerves, and it helps to get a more sleep-induced state. Along with the cherries, it helps to increase your natural hormones for helping you to sleep. So together they work really well. And it also has lime juice, which also has a lot of vitamin C, as we talked about, which helps to induce a more restful sleep. So for the recipe, and this serves just 1, you need a half a cup of the cherry juice, make sure nothing added to it, 1 teaspoon of the magnesium powder, 1 cup of sparkling water if you like, or you can just use regular, and a half of a lime juice. Just stir everything together and drink. This is good as well to help induce a really nice restful sleep. For those of you who would like a more of a warm option, you can try this one. This is the cinnamon vanilla steamer. So we talked about already, milk helps to induce your sleep. It helps to take away your stress and get you in a sleepy mode already. So always good to start with that. You can add cinnamon to it. Cinnamon is the next ingredient, and it also has been shown to help improve your sleep. It also helps with insomnia. So if you have really bad sleep, it helps to break insomnia pattern and get you a better quality of sleep. And vanilla is really great for helping with anxiety, making you more relaxed, helping to lower your blood pressure, helping you to feel more soothing, to help you get to that sleeping state faster. So for this recipe, you will need 1 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Heat these up on the stove in a saucepan till you get to the desired temperature. And you can add a spoon of honey if you like. Whichever one you choose, make sure that you drink it about 30 minutes before going to bed. Make sure you spend that 30 minutes just being relaxed. No TV or electronics. Just do nothing and drink your drink. Try and relax as best you can. And don't think just one night, oh, nothing happened. Try and do this for at least a month to get a nice steady rhythm going. And you should definitely see some improvements and results without having to take a sleeping pill. These recipes are courtesy from everydayhealth.com. You can go and check out their website. Go and check out their website and a link for them in the description box. And please come back after a month and let us all know which one of these worked best for you, how well it worked, how much it helped you to sleep better without having to use a sleeping pill. And we'd all really love to hear your results to help others. And besides that, they all taste really good. So it's not gonna hurt you at all to try one of these. All right, I hope this helps. Please go ahead and go watch my video here on cherries to learn more about how cherries help you to sleep and more benefits about eating cherries. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.